The earlier a Delta person understands the fact that he is an Igbo man, the better for him.
Please click on the subscribe button for more
This is
updates.
happening. The raising down of some of the community at Okuloma. You see, you could understand the fact that a lot of killings have been happening in the north. We have yet to hear of army raising down a community. Raising down a community which involves women and children who are even innocent of this whole thing. Some army were shot dead, and the only thing the army could do was to go and raise down a community which rendered some women and some children, a kind of shambles. So what is this thing telling you? Lets you know that if you're a Delta person, you call yourself a Bayelsa person, they will tell you that you are South, but deep down, they know that people are Igbo people. Now, person where they outside on our side, but they outside, they know better. They know people, the north, the west, they know people better. You'll be answering Emeka, and you'll be answering that you're not an Igbo man. You're answering Chigozie, you're not an Igbo man. You're answering Nana, you say you're not an Igbo lady, Igbo woman. All these things doesn't count. When they come after you, they don't look at your faces. All these things, now when you look at what happened now, just little provocation. This is between two communities, and the army came in. I learned that the army came to settle issues and on. Everything led to one thing led to the other, and all this happened. But these people have been dying like sheep, like whatever in the north. What has happened? If you are from this southern part, the so-called south or southeast, you have to be careful to understand the fact that the government, they leave the sentiments alone. This one Nigeria, the word one Nigeria is just fake. It's just fake. Jonathan is today seen as an Igbo man. He answers Ebele, Asikiwe. Ebele, yet the person tells you, I'm not an Igbo. That's what's different between Ebele and Ebere of someone from Anambra. When you have this to your score, you understand that you have to join the Igbo people to have one voice. The southeastern people, to have one voice. But look what has transpired now. Now, if you meet an average Delta person, he tells you, no, I'm not an Igbo. Even look at what has happened to their front. Even the worst part is that the Igbo people, and if you go to Twitter, they're the ones trying to defend them, trying to save them from more casualties by letting the world know what is happening. Yet they will say that the Igbo man is the problem. Look at what has transpired. They don't buy people where they think no concern. When I just stay there, they galavant say, I know be Igbo, I be Igbo, I know be Igbo, this and that. When these things won't happen, they gonna let you know, say you be Igbo person. That little provocation, look at the way they just look at the way Army just responded. But a lot of bye they happen for the body of Army for not. Yet nothing. When will people have sense? I just make I let you know, say anytime, don't be deceived by that word, the one Nigeria. Don't be deceived that these people, Western people and the Northerners like you. Understand that they see you the same way they see an Igbo man in Anambra. It's the same way they see you. They understand the fact that you be Igbo person. So just embrace the Eastern people as your brothers and have one voice. So I just make an alarm now because of this matter what just happened. It's a very sad story, but it's the reality. Join the Southeastern and they have one voice. So those who enjoyed this, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Thank you.